right, it's waffle time. Mike Nolan has up 2018 Sexton Firebird. Sweet Halos. 1 through 40 is the list. Let's get a winner. Good luck.
Yeah, going real high.
It's 512.
And there's that range she hates throwing. I don't.
All right, fresh random.
There's some uninspired play right now from the card.
Security valid, all set. One through 40.
And you look at the leaderboard and you say, you got to think to yourself, man, these are some scores that are starting to
19
feel like they're
winner.
out of reach for these guys.
Got a winner, and it's
They're gonna have to
19.
shape up on this back
Congrats.
stretch.
Yeah, looking at these four right now on the leaderboard, Matt and Gannon tied for 16th. Paul and Ben
513.
tied for 39th.
Aye.
So they're
19?
definitely going to need to turn
Yes,
this around
19.
pretty quickly.
19 is going to be
They
Bill.
want a chance to go low here today.
Bill Haas, congratulations. Sweet win. Congrats, winner. Have a great Friday night, everyone. It is
An opportunity to
5:14.
make a push.